Now, question number 5. Let u is equals to 110, v is equals to 001, then uv is equals to 1101001, and vu is equals to 000111101. Using this given information, what is the identity element for the string? A is equals to u minus 1, b is equals to v1, c is equals to u minus 1, v minus 1, and d is equals to empty. In this context given, the identity element for a string typically denoted by epsilon represent the empty string, a string with no character. Let us evaluate the option provided. A. So option number A, u minus 1. This notation typically represents the inverse of string uv, but in the context of identity element, it seems to indicate removing u from itself. This operation wouldn't get the empty string, so it's likely to be the identity element. Option number 2. This option is a combination of string uv and a character A. Character A. It's normal to relate the identity element for the string, so it's unlikely to be correct. Option number C. This notation represents concatenation of inverse of string uv and uv, while u minus 1 could potentially denote a reverse of uv, and similarly uv and u1 could denote the reverse of uv. The contradiction of this reversed string would not be necessarily result into identity element. Option number D. Epsilon. This option represents the empty string which is indeed the identity element of a string. Contradiction: whenever you concatenate any string with an element string, you can get the original string. Therefore, this is most likely to correct based on the properties of identity element. Option D, epsilon is the correct most suitable choice.